Hi everybody. So I think we are here today to learn about crypto. And one thing is why are we on the trade? Many of you know are professional service firms, accounting firms. Or maybe you would have a client in the last year approaching you with I have some crypto assets, digital assets. How can I account for it? Or you might be a company finance manager or your director has given you instructions. Let's have a little crypto exposure. So, or maybe you are investing in another company where your subsidiary has crypto exposure. So, what as a finance people, what do you do with all this? How big is the crypto market are we talking about? USDT, the largest stablecoin, is at 120 US dollars market cap today, 120 billion US dollars market cap, and USDC is at 30 billion market cap. So we are talking about total of 150 billion worth of stablecoins in circulation. What exactly is stablecoins? So today we are transferring US dollars from a country to another country. I mean, many of us are finance people here. How long does it take? If it's interbank, maybe 1 day, thankfully. If it's not interbank, you are talking about 2 to 3 days, and hopefully the other person reply you. And there's nothing wrong with filling in of the information. So with stablecoins itself, you are able to transfer cross-border from wallet to wallet in a few minutes, and compared to the cost of the SWIFT system is cheaper. So because of this, facilitating instantaneous trade has happened a lot. So this is why crypto is booming, 150 million US dollars. So if I'm not convinced you enough on how big the market is, in Singapore today, MAS licensed blockchain entities, we are talking about 40 companies. So this is only 40 companies that's licensed. How many is applying for license? About 15. These are all public information on MAS website. So this is the market for the licensed entity. How about the entities that do not require license? For example, your investment holding companies, your service providers. These are also crypto related or gaming companies. These are companies that usually do not require license, or maybe they have holding company in Singapore but their crypto activities is overseas, so they might not require license. So this market for crypto is growing. So over here is I'm just putting in my WhatsApp. I think the audience here today, most of you would be using WhatsApp, so feel free to contact me on WhatsApp. So over here at Launch Factor, right, we actually made up of 4 to 5 founders from finance, professional service firms. So previously they were leading the finance function. So they realized that these are key issues that many people would actually face. So they started a consulting firm, professional service firm. So today, if you are also a professional accounting firm and you are looking at I have a crypto client, how do I deal with it? You can contact me and we can do a referral agreement. Of course, if you want to front face your client directly, we can just be your back office. Or even if we can teach you or what, I mean, we are looking about collaboration over here. So that is what we can do at Launch Factor for professional accounting firm. The other one is if you are a company and you need help with accounting, that's what Launch Factor also do. So over here now, I will talk about 3 key things that I think all of us are concerned about. I will start with the most important one, how to open a bank account. So for finance managers or people, you will find that if you tell other people you are a crypto company and you go to some of the standard banks, straight away no need bank account already. But as finance people, bank account will allow us to pay for expenses and pay for salary. I'm unable to elaborate much, but what I can say the answer today is Aspire. Aspire is Web3 friendly. They are backed by BTS. And during this show, for these few days, I think they have a promotion. You open an Aspire account and you top up 100, they will give you another 100, something like that. But money is not important, but without a bank, you cannot even pay your salary. So Aspire are Web3 friendly, but of course there's relevant KYC and AML. Other than Aspire, Greenlink Digital Bank is another one that is for banking license. And for other banks, you will find that if you do not disclose that you are crypto and subsequently there's crypto related activities, high chance the bank will close your account. So no point going down that route. That's my thought. We can elaborate more if you all need to have conversation. The next one, very important to me. How do you account for crypto on your books? So although I'm talking about USDT or USDC, stable coins, these are not cash and cash equivalent in accordance with the standards because they are not legal tender. So currently in the market, we are looking at either accounting it as intangible assets or accounting it as inventory. So it depends on your business model. For many of you here, if you are doing payment services, exchanges, inventory might be a good way of doing it. When I look at, for myself, the way to look at it is for inventory, when you do a fair value, the changes in fair value goes directly to P&L. But for intangible assets, any movement that goes above goes into OCI, and any movement that goes below goes into P&L. So that is for intangible assets. So maybe you all ask, why is crypto not financial asset? So the thing is that maybe you hold a popular crypto, Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's not backed by any cash, or we call it fiat in the crypto world, like USD or what. So under IFRS 9, I think there's a very clear definition that, you know, for you to call your financial asset, you need it to be backed. But BTC today, other than selling it to some other people, there's nobody backing it, there's no contract behind it. So it has already been established that crypto is usually intangible asset or inventory. But I realized that because I also teach crypto accounting at ISTA, many of my students are actually asking more than, you know, how to account for crypto. So how to account for crypto derivative, how to account for security token, RWA token, utility token. So these are things which have not been that clear. Guidance have been clear, but application has not came out. But for BTC and ETH to account them as intangible asset or inventory, this is pretty clear, and there's a lot of guidance outside. So this is for crypto accounting. How do you actually do your crypto accounting correctly? This is very important because now your crypto comes from many different places, and your custodians, your wallets, your on-chains, your payment services, your custody. So with so many data, previously you only connect to banks in the Web2 world, but now you have so many data points. My suggestion to all of you, if you are still on Excel, look for a crypto subledger. And the crypto subledger that I want to shout for today is Alvin. So just remember Alvin and search for them. Crypto subledger, yeah, do not use Excel. I mean, it's free also. So you know, this is a free software that you all can look at. If not, it will be very hard to reconcile your data and also calculate fair value gain and loss. So that one is the one. And the last one I want to talk about for finance people is wallet management. Previously in the fiat world, we will put money with the banks. We will look at approval control. We will look at how many bank accounts we have across the different banks. Today, if you are a professional service firm or you are a finance manager, please have a list of what wallets or where your digital asset is stored. What is the address? What is the purpose of the wallet? And who has control and what authority? So with this clear list, this is actually, if you think about it, it's very similar to previously when we have banks. We will also have this list. So just because you have entered the crypto world, you still need this list. And this is very important so that, you know, have you accounted for the completeness of all the assets, accuracy for all the assets? Without such a list, it's very tough, but I realized that many firms don't have. So these are the 3 points that I'm sharing today. Over here, you will see that, you know, SOAS itself, we help to open companies that is crypto related. We also provide accounting services. So that is something that I'm doing. The other one is Web3 Accountant. Web3 Accountant itself is, if you want to learn anything about crypto, do check out web3accountant.online. We have done Singapore crypto tax, a global crypto tax report, because I realized for the Web3 world, you have companies in BVI, Hong Kong, Australia, it's very spread out. So if you go to web3accountant.online, we actually have a 2024 global crypto tax report that you can download for free, and a lot of information is for free. This Web3 Accountant is like your free page for Web3 education. So with that, you know, my number is there. You know, I think I'll be around these 2 days and happy to talk to anyone for anything crypto related. Thank you.
Alright, thank you Wei Xiang from Launch Factor. Wei Xiang's booth number is at so Wei Xiang will be at probably Web3 Factor, which is an association that inserted itself to gather Web3 related people if you're interested in Web3 and especially accounting. Is at Web3 Factor probably at SE40, or you can find Launch Factor at SE17. So the next session is going to start in 5